Sup guys, Juggalo here, and I said I will do an unboxing today, and I wouldn't mention what I got, but here it is, the Polk Audio PSW505 12-inch subwoofer. So, my neighbors want to play and be loud, and have their kids running around, and not caring for other neighbors. Well, I got one thing to give to them. Right here is some annoyance of my own right here. So, yeah, this was $189 off of Amazon.com. Prime member, 2 free day shipping. Newegg has the same deal, $189, except it is 3-day shipping. So, let me go ahead and take out all the important stuff first. Okay. Register your Polk audio. And then you have a power cable right here. So I'm doing this for a reason, because I don't want to get any of this damaged. So I'm taking everything out that I can see. So now, this is going to be the fun part, is actually trying to keep this in the shot. And of course I have a cat cable on the floor, which is going to my computer. So I might have to move the speaker wire, or not speaker wire, but the camera once I take this off. So there you go. That's how you take out a subwoofer. Do it like that. Way easier. So now, this is the bottom right now. So let me go ahead and flip it over. And yes, this is heavy for sure. So let me see if I can unwrap it. Top. Alright. There we go. It's done. Okay. And I'll slide this bad boy all the way to the back. Try to get some light onto it. And then I'll move this lamp over here. So, there we go. Price you pay for living in an apartment. It's really crappy lighting. Alright. So here it is right here. Nice big subwoofer. Looks like they threw in some padding to ensure that the speaker will not get damaged. So there we go. This is the subwoofer right here. Nice big 12-inch subwoofer. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this back on. Of course, you can't do it if the cords are underneath that. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. Try this again. I love it. So, there we go. There's one. Alright. There we go. Alright, sorry about that. Now here is the back. Right here. And, let me see if I can flip it around so I can explain everything. So scroll it down a little bit more, and might have to lower the tripod a little bit more actually to try to get it where I want it. Okay, there's one. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. So this is more presentable. Alright. Pretty much what I'm probably going to do is plug this in right here. The LFEN. You have auto, standby power. You have phase 0. Then you have phase 180. If you have 2 of these, you want to have one at 0 and then one at 180. Then you have speaker in and speaker out right here. You have your volume control right here. And then you have what frequency you'll like to have. I'm probably going to try to do 25 or 30 hertz to see how that is, because you have speakers at the tower, speakers that can produce the higher frequency than 25 or 30. So that's what I'm going to do. I should be getting cables from monoprice.com. So hopefully they come here within the next hour or 2 hours. So then I can hook that up. But until then, I'm probably going to use some cheap audio cables that I got laying around. AV cables. You could pretty much do that if you want. Cables are cables, really. And I spent like $6 or $7 for each cable that I got from monoprice.com. So yeah, looks pretty good. Just gotta make sure it works. It does have a port at the bottom right here. So you want to make sure you're like 4 to 6 inches away from the wall because of this right here, so the speaker will sound better. So I got this for steel, I think. Again, $189 either on Amazon or Newegg. If you're not a Prime member on Amazon, it's a better deal off of Newegg because you get 3 days shipping and everything like that for $189. But alright guys, this is the nice big unboxing, kind of long but kind of quick. Thank you guys for the support and everything. And as always, comment, subscribe, rate this video, click that like button. You guys have a great day. Bye.